Tonda by IFI represents the third generation technology in the gelato display and storage, the ideal mix between Pozzetti's product preservation and the greater display capabilities of modern display cases. Tonda is a true revolution when compared to traditional display cases. Thanks to its pluses, the way in which gelato is shown, served, Tonda's pluses. Tonda is the first round and rotating display case in history. Created by IFI Research and Development Department and by Makio Hasuiki's ingenuity. Tonda is simply unique for its design and technology. On idle rotation, the display surface rotates at a constant speed. When serving, however, the speed increases and the chosen pan arrives just in front of the operator within a maximum time of 4.5 seconds. And this thanks to the quick rotation in clockwise and anti-clockwise direction operated by pedal or manual electronic controls. User-friendly and comfortable, the operator can serve the gelato whilst maintaining a comfortable position, thanks to the rotating movement of the pans. Furthermore, the operator does not need to put his or her arms and hands inside the display case, where the temperature is severe, -14 to -18 Celsius. Even temperature. The gelato is kept at an even temperature thanks to the constant rotation, hermetic closure and ventilation system with airflow divided in 4 sections and directed from the outside to the inside of the ring, whereas in traditional display cases, temperature may differ up to 4 degrees Celsius between pans. Perfect gelato storage. Even temperature everywhere, reduced defrosting frequency, hermetic closure of the heated pyrolytic tempered double glass. All this to ensure perfect gelato storage. In the Tonda display case, when the storage function is enabled, the -22 degrees Celsius preset but modifiable temperature is automatically set so that there is no need to remove the pans from the display case at the end of the day. Energy saving. Tonda enables energy saving up to 15% thanks to the hermetic closure, superior insulation and intelligent defrosting system (RDF). Defrosting every 8 hours, based exclusively on the effective opening time of the display case, Tonda reduces temperature shock, thereby avoiding any unpleasant glossy effect on the gelato. Full view. The constant rotating movement, the 7.5 degrees tilt, and the height of 827 mm on the customer side provide a full close-up view for adults as well as for children. Tonda, competing with tradition. Tonda is one of a kind, superior not only for its technology and design, but also for its performances, as the following comparative test will show. In order to ensure the maximum reliability of the test, this was carried out under the same uniform conditions. Same layout for gelato flavors, same capacity for pans, same operators, same quantity of cones, same flavors for each cone. Tonda is available in the following versions: Gelato, Gelato single portions, 4 seasons, serving as gelato or pastry display case simply by setting the temperature and enabling the commute push button. Pastry, pralines. Tonda is EC certified for Europe, ETL certified for North America, and Ghosts